Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kiana and I do a lot of sewing and fashion videos. And today we have another pattern making video for this loungewear set. I posted this on my Instagram stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, feel free to do so. My handle is Kiana Bonolo. So I posted this and I basically asked you guys, which loungewear set do you want to see? It was basically split 50-50. Actually, the other one got just a tad more votes, but the issue basically is it's hard to get your hands on like sweatshirt fleece material, especially if you don't order fabric online. Like, you're just not gonna find it in stores a lot of the times unless you live in like the fabric district of New York. I decided to go with the first option, which I'll put on the screen here. This one's just a little bit more versatile. You can use it with a wide variety of fabrics. You don't have to use like sweatshirt material. You could use it with like fleece or more like comfy like ribbed knit material. It's just more versatile, so that's why I decided to go with this. And very exciting, I'm going to do it long sleeve and long wide leg pants and short, so that again we're really hitting all the points on the versatility train here. So in this video, I'm gonna take you along on the journey of pattern making, prototyping, all that jazz, because I did this for my last pattern, for my V-waist skirt pattern, and you guys really liked it. You said you wanted more, so here I am with more. First things first, I'm gonna bring you in. I'm gonna show you the pattern making process, which I have done on Illustrator. Okay, so here is the pattern I have so far. I'm gonna be honest, I'm also filming this clip after I made the first prototype, so I know that there are some issues in here. But we're not gonna go over that until after the prototype because I want it to be more honest, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna see the mistakes I've made and you're gonna see how I fix them, okay? That's important because we all make mistakes and we need to know how to fix them. So that's what we're gonna do. So we got my top, we got the pants. For the top, I haven't even made the sleeves yet either. You can see the neckline is like a basic bodice. They're just cut on the front fold, the back fold, straight hem across, and then the sleeves are different in the fact that they extend past your natural shoulder, so the shoulder probably would end right here, but you know, with sweatshirts and stuff, it kind of ends down past the shoulder. So I've extended the shoulder and then I've just created a curved line for the sleeve opening. Then I have a rectangle for the rib of the neckline. This is going to be folded in half, so the width of this is double what I want the final width of the neckline to be, the width this way, and then the length of it is what I want it to be around the circumference. And I'm going to measure it how I want the smallest portion of it to be because the rib stretches out to fit into the neckline really well, so I'm only really worried about it being tight enough to look good on my neck. This down here would be the bottom ribbing for the sweatshirt, and then over here is the pants. I just kind of have these wide leg pants and then a waistband to put on top of it, and then I have a line marking where I would put the shorts. Normal pants, I just made them wider leg. I made them looser around the hip area, around the crotch area. I made the crotch lower than what normal pants would be, and then I clearly made the legs wider. Like I said before, definite fit issues, so we're gonna go over that in the next clip. So here we go. Here is my Santa suit. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, I just used them for the prototype. I used like scrap fabric from my like Santa pajamas. So that is why I look like Santa Claus. Let's talk about the issues. So basically overall, I need to crop this more, make this smaller, make this bigger. Like I said, I was kind of just winging it with the pattern. But yeah, let's talk about the pants first because that one has more issues. Like, these are just like tight, and I wasn't really sure kind of how I wanted them to fit, but now I think I want more oversized. We're definitely gonna need to add a lot of fabric here in terms of like width everywhere and then also probably lengthen it a couple inches because I wanted it to be kind of relaxed and loose, kind of like the feel of this top, but this top is too relaxed and loose. We got to bring it in. We need to crop it a little bit more. I don't want this to be super tight, this band, but I do want it to be a little bit tighter to hold up a little bit more, so crop it a bit but keep that oversized vibe. The neckline is perfect. Like, this is exactly how I want the neckline to look. There's also like no pulling anywhere. Oh, ribbed material is just magical. You can just do anything with it. You can stretch it to fit anything and it will look good. Yeah, but so that's where we're at. Santa is ready to make his adjustments and go back to prototyping. Back to patterning, off we go. Okay, hello. Let's talk about what we would do if we had no pattern to work off. I know I'm like, trying to get in the frame. Let's talk about what we do if we have no pattern to work off of, like I do. If you don't know how to flat pattern from scratch, maybe you have no training in that whatsoever, but you want to make a loungewear set. And guess what? This is a good thing that you could totally probably trace from your own clothes. Not to say it will be perfect, but it's a good place to start. So here is a sweatshirt I have. Now maybe get a sweatshirt that fits you a little bit better. This is what I have to work with. This is definitely kind of small. It would end up being a more fitted garment, so I'd have to make adjustments to it afterwards if I wanted it to be not as fitted. But this is what you do. You fold your garment in half, okay? Because when you make patterns, you make things on the half and cut it out on the fold. So to get my pattern for the bodice, can you see it? Yes, you can. I would take my garment, put it on a piece of paper, and just trace out the garment. I would lift up the collar, trace around the collar, down the shoulder, lift up the sleeves, get the curve of the sleeves, and then down the side seam. And I would do this with every single piece on this garment. So I do it with the front, I do it for the back. The only thing that would really change is the neckline. I do it for the sleeves. I would trace this out, cut it on the fold here. And then to confirm that I'm doing this right, I would just measure my garment and then measure my pattern to make sure that everything is turning out the same. Of course, if you don't want it to fit exactly like this, you'll have to make adjustments. But I just wanted to show you guys how to make clothes from clothes you already have. Hey guys. Okay, so I'm back and I have prototyped again. It's really cute. I wish it actually like turned out perfectly so that I could like just start wearing this now. But there's just like a couple little changes I would make. I'm not just gonna like throw this away. Obviously this is like nice fabric. This is fleece that I got from Michael's. Super freaking warm. I'm not gonna just like recycle this or use it for something else. I'm gonna make the changes on this as well and then wear it as a cute little top because this is adorable and it's so warm. The biggest change I have to make, look how long the sleeves are. Here it is with my arm inside, and then you can't even see the ribbing at all. It's that long. And I realize now it's that long because I didn't actually measure how long I wanted it to be. I just made it super long, and then I forgot to go back and change that because this is a new pattern piece that I just made the sleeves. I gotta take it up like probably about 3.5 inches for it to fit my arms. But let me show you the pattern piece for the sleeve because you haven't seen that before. This is the sweatshirt sleeve. If you own a sweatshirt, which I'm sure you do, just go look at the sweatshirt sleeve. You can see the shape of it basically. It's cut on the fold and it has like slight curve to it at the top where it attaches to the bodice. And then it tapers in. It doesn't get super tight. Obviously, you still want it to be loose around your arm, but it does taper down a little bit. And then and then the sleeve cuff is like this. This is not on the fold, this is on the fold, so this would be double the width. You know what I'm saying? So that the sleeve gathers in to the cuff. Hope that made sense. But yeah, so I would make that change. I really wouldn't make another change. I think I would, the only other thing I would do is just kind of taper in the body like just slightly and then maybe take this out just slightly so it doesn't ripple as much. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with this top. Now I gotta also work on the pants, but I'm excited about my new little pink cupcake top. Okay, so here are the shorts that I just made. Can you see them? I do believe you can. Yeah, basically the only change I would make to this is the length. Like right now they're honestly a good length, but I just feel like it's a little bit cuter to be a couple inches shorter, not too short, so we're not making booty shorts, but don't you think that this is a lot cuter than like this like kind of basketball length? I like where it hits, still like mid to high rise. It's not super high. That way it will look good with like the cropped sweatshirt. I like how it fits. It's loose, comfortable, airy. Oh, I love them. I can't wait to wear these. So the only thing is, let's shorten them up. All right, so this is probably honestly a really short video this week. I'm sorry, but yeah, there wasn't a lot to show you. This pattern making process was honestly super easy. It's a knit material, it's loungewear, not a lot of complicated things to go into it. Also, if you're more of a beginner, knits are really easy to get to fit you because woven fabrics have to fit you in just the right way. I think next time I really want to do a draping video. You guys love draping videos, so let me know if you're interested in seeing that. But I think that's everything. Not gonna make the video too long if it doesn't need to be too long. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want more in the future. I am going to be releasing the pattern for this soon, so stay tuned for that because that'll be the next one after this one. So if you like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up. It is the easiest way to support your favorite creators for free. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My handle is Kiana Bonolo. Make sure you're subscribed and you have that notification bell turned on. Also, if you're interested in the pattern, if you are thinking about buying it, make sure you got those notifications on because I give a discount to my patterns the first couple of days that I post the video, and you don't want to miss out on that. Yeah, I think that's everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.